beautiful people. Jennifer Ziliotto here. I'm back for another Style Fix video, and I wanted to share a little story with you. This past weekend, I had the opportunity to go and visit a friend in the Eastern Townships with Bruno, and the two of us went for a cross-country ski and then had a few hours at a spa afterward. And it was so luxurious and refreshing and just what I needed. I didn't even realize how much I needed that sort of little mini getaway and just to kind of reset myself a little bit. And while I was enjoying the spa and sitting in one of the pools and looking out at a beautiful view, I was thinking about the senses and how a spa really awakens and excites all your senses: smell, touch, sight, all of it. And I thought it would be fun for us to go on another journey together through clothes and talk about the senses over the course of the next few weeks. Because some of the things that I've been really thinking about, especially having done the whole series about the chakras, is how much clothes are important, not just for how you look, but definitely for how you feel. You know, I've often talked about this one-on-one with you when you're in the store with me. It's something that I find fascinating, and I feel like at this time of year we really want to start to dress differently. We're absolutely craving lighter colors, we're absolutely craving lighter fabrics. But let's talk about how much clothes change how we think and how we feel about ourselves and how we sort of present ourselves to the world. So that's what I want to explore with you together over the course of the next few weeks. So I hope you're into this. I hope you will join me on this journey. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Starting next week, we will dive into refreshing our wardrobe for this spring season. So please give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. If you're on board with this idea, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, continue to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram.